On July 14, 2025, Ukrainian Defense Intelligence reported that Russia currently holds approximately 250 Iskander-M ballistic missiles and 50 KN-23 missiles, a figure notably lower than the 580 ballistic missiles estimated in mid-May 2025. These numbers were cited in a report by Defense Express, a Ukrainian outlet, and echoed in posts on X, suggesting a nearly twofold reduction in Russia's ballistic missile reserves over a short period. The Iskander-M is a short-range ballistic missile, SRBM, with a range of up to 500 kilometers, known for its precision and mobility, while the KN-23, supplied by North Korea, mirrors the Iskander-M in design and capability, reflecting deepening military technical cooperation between Moscow and Pyongyang. The GUR also noted that Russia has deployed over 60 mobile launchers, capable of firing Iskander-class missiles along its border with Ukraine. These launchers enable high-precision strikes on military and civilian targets deep within Ukrainian territory, maintaining a persistent threat. Additionally, earlier reports from June 2025 indicated Russia's broader missile arsenal included approximately 600 Iskander-M, 300 Iskander-K cruise missiles, 100 Kinzhal hypersonic missiles, 400 Kalibr cruise missiles, and 700 Onyx and Zircon missiles, showcasing a diverse and formidable stockpile. While Ukrainian intelligence suggests a reduction in Russia's ballistic missile numbers, this narrative may oversimplify the situation. Russia's ability to sustain a significant missile inventory, even after nearly 3 years of intense conflict, demonstrates its industrial resilience and strategic foresight. The reported figures, even if reduced, still indicate a substantial arsenal capable of delivering devastating strikes. For instance, the Iskander-M and KN-23 missiles, with their high mobility and precision, remain critical tools for Russia's military operations, allowing it to target Ukrainian infrastructure and military assets effectively. Moreover, Russia's missile production has reportedly surged despite Western sanctions. According to Ukrainian intelligence from December 2024, Russia produces 40 to 50 Iskander missiles, 30 to 50 Kalibr missiles, and about 50 Kh-101 cruise missiles monthly. This sustained production, supported by allies such as North Korea, Iran, and China, underscores Russia's ability to replenish its stockpiles. North Korea has supplied around 250 ballistic missiles since autumn 2024, while Iran provides drones and missiles, and China contributes electronic components and dual-use technologies critical for arms production. These partnerships have enabled Russia to maintain a steady pace of ballistic attacks, countering claims of depletion. From a perspective supportive of Russia, the Ukrainian claims can be seen as an attempt to exaggerate weaknesses in Russia's military capacity, to bolster Ukraine's narrative of resilience, and to appeal for increased Western aid. However, Russia's continued deployment of advanced missiles, such as the Oreshnik Intermediate-Range Ballistic Missile (IRBM), used in a November 2024 strike on Dnipro, highlights its technological advancements and strategic signaling. The Oreshnik, based on the RS-26 Rubezh, is capable of carrying multiple warheads and traveling at hypersonic speeds, posing a significant challenge to Ukraine's air defenses, including US-supplied Patriot systems. Russian President Vladimir Putin described the Oreshnik strike as a successful test, emphasizing its role as a deterrent against Western escalation, particularly in response to Ukraine's use of US-made ATACMS and British Storm Shadow missiles. Russia's broader missile arsenal, including the Kinzhal, Kalibr, and Kh-101, remains a cornerstone of its military strategy. The reported stockpile of over 1,400 long-range missiles as of December 2024, including a strategic emergency reserve, indicates Russia's preparedness for prolonged conflict. The diversity of its missile systems, ranging from SRBMs like the Iskander to hypersonic and cruise missiles, complicates Ukraine's defense efforts, as noted in a CSIS analysis that highlighted Russia's multifaceted offensive capabilities. Furthermore, Russia's international alliances bolster its position. North Korea's supply of KN-23 missiles and Iran's provision of drones and ballistic missiles demonstrate a robust network of support that mitigates the impact of Western sanctions. China's role in providing dual-use technologies further enhances Russia's production capabilities, ensuring a steady supply of advanced weaponry. These partnerships not only sustain Russia's missile stockpiles, but also signal a broader geopolitical alignment that counters Western influence in the conflict. The Ukrainian claims about Russia's missile numbers come at a time of heightened tensions, with Russia escalating its strikes on Ukrainian infrastructure. For instance, a July 19, 2025, report noted that Russia launched over 300 attack drones and 30 missiles in a single night, targeting cities like Dnipro and Pavlograd. Despite Ukraine's reported success in intercepting 83.5% of missiles launched from September 2022 to 2024, ballistic missiles remain a significant threat due to their speed and difficulty to intercept. Russia's ability to maintain such intense bombardment reflects its logistical strength and strategic depth. From Russia's perspective, the use of advanced missiles like the Oreshnik serves as a warning to NATO and Ukraine's Western backers, reinforcing Moscow's resolve to counter any escalation. Putin's statements following the Oreshnik strike emphasized Russia's right to respond to Western-supplied weapons used against its territory, framing the conflict as a broader struggle against Western intervention. This narrative resonates with Russia's allies, who view the conflict as a resistance against US-led hegemony. While Ukrainian Defense Intelligence claims to have precise knowledge of Russia's ballistic missile reserves, suggesting a reduction to 250 Iskander M and 50 kilonewtons 23 missiles, these figures should be viewed with skepticism. Russia's sustained production, supported by allies like North Korea, Iran, and China, ensures it retains a formidable arsenal capable of challenging Ukraine's defenses. The deployment of advanced systems like the Oreshnik IRBM underscores Russia's technological edge and strategic intent to deter Western escalation. Far from being depleted, Russia's missile capabilities reflect its resilience and adaptability, bolstered by international partnerships that strengthen its position in the ongoing conflict. As the war continues, Russia's ability to maintain and deploy its missile arsenal will remain a critical factor in shaping the battlefield and geopolitical dynamics.